All expenses paid trip to drive 5 supercars in the hills, scenic roads, most epic day.
I didn't even realize it. I'm still shaking a little.
I need to preface something that's kind of a bummer. Kyle's not old enough to drive, so he had to ride with me. The goal was for both the winner and myself to be able to drive together on the road in different cars. So keep that in mind, that's the goal. This is Karma Speed's first ever experience giveaway that wouldn't be made possible without the Karma Speed community itself. Thank you, everyone. On June 10th, we called our giveaway winner. Kyle!
Okay, one second. Sorry. Holy crap.
We're calling you to let you know that you and I are going to be going to Colorado to drive supercars in the hills.
I was like super sketched out when I got the text. I was like, there's no way this is real.
Then on September 8th, the trip began, and here's how it went down. Just landed in Denver. The Karma Speed experience giveaway #1 starts right now. We're gonna go find Kyle the winner, and let's start having some fun.
Bye, take care, thank you.
See this McDonald's and Starbucks, which is near where Kyle was at on the pin he sent me, so he's gotta be around here somewhere. He said he's down here. There he is. You made it.
I didn't even see you come down. What's up?
Give me a hug, dog. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. What's up?
That thing. There we go. You ever been here, Denver?
Oh.
No?
I don't know, we do have like a Dodge Challenger. We have some luxury like Infinities.
The Challenger? No burnout. No burnout. Definitely a V6. V6 for sure. This is so much better than the Corolla we were about to get though. And I really wanted to leave the option open for Pikes Peak. Oh, there she is.
Tripping guards on it.
Oh no, not the bumper guards. It's not terrible looking. It's a, bro. Read the badge. Read the badge. It's a heavy. It's because someone's smoked in here.
Yeah, I was gonna say.
All right, cold start. Windows down, first pull in the Hemi. I've never really driven one of these.
This burrito is gonna be gone in like 30 seconds.
One full day before we drive supercars, and we wanted to do something cool. So we wanted to check off seeing Pikes Peak in person, the hill climb race that happens every single year in Colorado. We got about an hour-and-a-half drive. We want to go see it with our own eyes. You've seen it in Climbcana with Ken Block. And then the famous Evo corner with
and Yuri hurtling violently off course.
The roads are getting more fun. I'm gonna get the windows down. See able to do a burnout. Easily. Look at the tire marks.
Yeah, you're good.
We have arrived. We have the Pikes Peak Summit Visitor Center. It looks like it's under construction. cafe. We got a little tour over here, heck yeah. Welcome to Pikes Peak.
Thanksgiving.
Crisp, clean air, about 65, 70 degrees, perfect. We can see there's no cloud cover. From the Challenger to the weather, everything's been working out.
That is so cool. That kind of things.
Pikes Peak, that was fun. Thank you for the adventure. We're headed down. 2022 Karma Speed, we've got the Hilton. Maybe next year we can get the DoubleTree, you know? It's like Vegas vibes. 627, what are you? We're next door neighbors. That makes me feel a certain type of way, dude. I don't like that.
And the rooms hang right over the whole balcony too. It's actually really nice.
Easier. Oh, we got a balcony? Great sunset with a great view. What's the worst that could happen, right? Let's get it out there. The next, oh, almost forgot the shorts. You always almost forget one thing. Extreme experience. Let's get it. How'd you sleep? Did you sleep?
I took my shower, finished my homework. Literally the second I closed my laptop, I was out.
Operation Get to Starting Point for Extreme Experience Open Road. I think it's some speedway. There we go. Oh, I see cars. Cars are getting warmed up. We gotta go check in.
I'm gonna give out the radios. Give it to Kyle, just because that way he.
Morning, guys. Bill's my name. What is Open Road? We're out there on Bucket List Road. So if you ever heard of like Tail of the Dragon, we're down in Georgia on Tail of the Dragon. Going out west. So go ahead, jump in, start. Straight up. Get used to it. Because a lot of people are used to it.
And just roll right through that right turn.
Steve, how about me? I think Bill might be a savage driving. I hope so. Alright, Bill, let's go. It's me and Bill up front.
Gonna rock it.
Let's go, Bill. Entered the freeway, and we're trying to stay in order. We all stay together, so this is interesting driving.
Yeah, I'm gonna go on the left lane.
The AMG is definitely the most tame feeling car of the bunch. It's the most torquey, but I didn't really know how today was going to go, so it gets a lot crazier as soon as we hop in the Porsche next.
Sunscreen on there, Mr. Lambo driver.
It's the car we've been waiting for.
Yes, sir.
Porsche is amazing. And you ask any instructor what their favorite car out of the fleet is for extreme experience, if they don't tell you it's the Porsche, they're lying to you.
Ooh.
Oh, come on, we can touch it, right? You can go up higher than that.
Oh, you want me to?
Oh, yeah.
All right, here you go. I'm just still learning you, Bill.
I got you. I'm gonna have you roll out behind me so you can stay right tight with me. Okay?
Yeah.
All right.
Perfect. And Bill said we probably won't be able to keep up with them.
You're gonna roll right behind me, Ferrari. You're gonna be right behind the Porsche. Easy on that gas pedal.
I know, this is how I'm freaking GT.
Like everybody's carrying all the 427s. That's pretty cool. Give them a wave. Give them a thumbs up. Here we go, everybody.
Oh, dude.
That's only 5,000?
Everybody, go, go, go. Nope, not gonna make it. Come on.
9,000, here we go.
You're gonna get separated, but we're gonna be turning right here in just 4 miles anyway.
8,000, 9,000. Oh. Okay.
This is what this car was meant for.
Yeah.
Call out if it's clear, Porsche. Stay right there.
That's a. What is he saying?
He said, driving behind that is insane.
Looks like Windows 7 like wallpaper.
It does. So I didn't even realize it when we got out of the car I was eating or anything. But I literally went to go grab the door handle to the bathroom and I reach out and my hands are still shaking a little bit.
Oh.
Yeah, I haven't been home and taking care of these cars.
Are you like a technician too?
Yeah, one of the chief technicians for Open Road, so these are my babies. I take care of them as best as I can. You can actually check the oil level.
Cars coming. Give them plenty of room.
Let's go! Brakes all day. Oh my gosh. And Bill, thank you so much for the fun. You rock. I'll miss you, babe. Oh, got that Lambo lights. No reaction. It's really smooth. Wow, the convertible's a vibe. Okay.
Oh, that was amazing!
Maybe we got some supercar lovers, so let's give them all a nice wave as we go by.
Very fine line where you're like, I'm really trusting this car right now, and am I gonna continue? And you're like, yes, no, yes, no, no, yes.
Porsche, you're going to pull up right along my driver's side door.
The dash, look.
Oh my goodness. I was screaming to the top of my lungs, David!
Sheesh. It's
Just me and Bill up front.
Gonna rock it.
Let's go, Bill. It's our boy. We're in the 488 GTB. Do you know what that means?
No, it's a 488. I don't know what GTB stands for though. Feels very like point and shoot.
Especially in that car. It's, oh my gosh. We're back. We leave him running or no? Thank you so much, Bill. 15 out of 10. If you need, if you're thinking about saving up money or you have the money and you want to do extreme experience, don't even hesitate. That was so far beyond expectations.
Yeah. I don't even think you can put like a score on it. It's literally like a once in a lifetime experience.
We're at the airport. We're about to part ways.
Had to go through check-in 4 times.
Before we go, to end the video off, let's rate the Supercars in order of least favorite to favorite. You first. And none of them suck.
Yeah, they were all really good. That's the thing. That's why it's hard.
That's why I said least favorite to favorite.
I'd say like out of the 4, least favorite was probably the Huracan, which sounds crazy to say because it's a Huracan, but I don't know. TR, 488, definitely the GT3.
Mine's the same exact order. What I described, what we were talking about in the car was the Huracan is like a car for fun. Every other car is like a car for, it drives like an absolute savage. And
and that's where like every car kind of has like their own specific thing it's really good at, and the Huracan was just like kind of there.
The Huracan was also the only one where the rear end wanted to slide out.
Yeah.
They're all such crazy cars. They amplify your driving skill. So if you suck at driving, they will get you in a bad situation so fast.
You have to be good at driving to drive them, so it kind of forces you to learn.
Yeah. So it was super cool. But the GT3 9,000 RPM, I think that was the highlight of the whole trip.
Oh, yeah. On one of like our first pulls, it wasn't even like a pull, it was like a little baby pull.
Yeah.
Like we had just gotten in the car, we'd been in the car for like maybe 5 minutes, and he revved it out, and I looked over, I was like, yeah, like it's loud, like it revs out pretty good, and I look over and he was only at 5,000 RPM. He was only halfway to red light.
That's only 5,000?
And then like 5 minutes later we did a full pull all the way to red line, and it was like, and that was like when we were going through like the canyon part, so we had like the high kind of rock walls on both sides of us, and it was like screaming through. It was so cool. It just like hugged the road, like it just didn't care. It like felt like fake. Like I don't even know how to describe it. It was just like an unreal feeling.
Kyle, experience giveaway winner number 1 was a success. We took so many W's, but Kyle left his Pikes Peak merch at the hotel is the only bummer.
I called and the housekeepers went home for the day, so now I have to call tomorrow.
If you guys want to watch a video of us giving away a Turbo FRS, another awesome experience, we go on a road trip, you can click on this video right here. Appreciate you stopping by and supporting Karma Speed, karmaspeed.com. Go get entered into our giveaways. Appreciate you.